In the blue Pacific Sea, where trees wave in the breeze, a tale is told of long ago from islands Marshallese. There lived two girls who liked to laugh and simply loved to tease, dropping coconuts on friends while hiding in the trees. The two girls scared poor chirping geckos, grabbing tails to squeeze, and every night they woke folks up by poking fat piggies. "Enough of this! Enough, we say!" their parents ordered. "Cease! Stop the teasing! Stop it now! Start acting like ladies!" But no, the naughty girls did not. They planned out new ideas. "We should trick our chief," they said, "and knock him to his knees." The chief sailed out to catch some fish, hooked plenty mackerelies. He then went home and had a nap, tired from the seas. But when he woke, to his surprise, he found not one fishy. Two laughs rang out above his head. Four eyes peeked through palm leaves. "I want my fish," demanded he. "I want them now, kiddies." They shook their heads, those rowdy girls, and mocked his angry pleas. "Oh, please don't tease, you young meanies," they joked, then shook the trees. The fish rained down upon his head. The chief was under siege. That man got squished by all those fish, his nose smashed to his knees. The two bad girls, they snickered lots with ha-has and hee-hees. Now, you may think you've heard the end, but listen if you please. More happens to these bully girls. Just wait, and you will see. The chief crawled from those slimy fish. He wiped off all that grease. He then sped off to find those girls faster than a sneeze. The chief roared loud, a chiefly roar, to show he felt displeased. The roar caught up with those two girls, which made them stop and freeze. They begged for help from pig and friend, but none would help appease the fear felt by those reckless girls, whose breath turned to a wheeze. Another roar! The girls dashed off, a pair of escapees. Sprinted to the island's end to keep from being seized. At the end, the two girls found a giant clam at ease. They leapt right in and shut it slam, as tightly fit as peas. The chief rushed in and searched for them, but once more was deceived. He shouted, "I'll find and punish you for making fun of Jeeves." When he left, the laughter of the naughty girls increased. "2 times now we tricked that chief. That pair was awfully pleased." Oh, but when they tried to go, the clam would not release. They pushed, they shoved, they thrashed about, but they could never leave. And that's the end for these two girls who love to laugh and tease. So, now you know what happens to naughty ones like these.